Welcome back to our channel. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Today we are at Al-Haz Mall. It gives an European atmosphere with Arabian hospitality. Al-Hazm translates into the higher grounds in the Qatari dialect. It is a landmark of unprecedented pure luxury rising in the heart of Doha. The shopping venue is destined to cater to the region's affluent, combining art, culture and luxury in one place. This handcraft architectural regal venue pays tribute to Italy's timeless classiness and Arabian's finest hospitality. It is home to finest restaurants and cafes, select fashion labels and memorable events. The opening hours of mall is from 9 a.m. to 12 midnight on Saturday to Thursday and from 10 a.m. to 12 midnight on Fridays. Al-Hazm Mall is a center of gravity for those in the know. It provides the ideal blend of high-end fashion boutiques, trendy restaurants and cafes and memorable events. You can experience the evolution of Qatari shopping here. You can see amazing architectural beauty, marble construction here, wonderful decoration at night. It is a great place to walk, dine and shop. Al-Hazm Mall is among those top-picked shopping destinations where you can spend the most happening days. Al-Hazm Mall is a hub for ultimate luxury experience. This is a unique and special spot. Its classic design and infrastructure, the architecture features and highlights the mall have made it an anomalous landmark where there is royal touch in every corner. The fusion of Arabian hospitality and the timeless classic art of Italy has created the masterpiece. There is an affluent art and luxury in this shopping mall that can never afford to miss. Al-Hazm Mall, a center for architectural wonders that is one of the best examples of Qatar's rich art. The mall is designed with 41,000 tons of stones and marbles brought exclusively from Tuscany. The exterior reflects the class. The interior are exhibiting the beauty of Arabian art and motifs. The striking design of Al-Hazm Mall will leave guests inspired by interesting and startling splendors. You can see imposing pillars, domes, and arches around the complex. You can experience state-of-the-art outdoor cooling system. There are beautiful water fountains and well-designed corridors. The marbles are heat absorbing, which make the ambience cool and relaxing. The surrounding boards of olive fringes that were brought from Spain and Italy long time ago. The history of these olives can be 600 years old, but the beauty complements modern architecture. There is central garden surrounding the entire architecture. There is flower gardens enclosed by ancient olive trees. There is flower gardens enclosed by ancient olive trees. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching our video.
Please subscribe our channel, like, comment. Please do not forget to activate bell icon to receive notification about our future videos.